How to fix if you are unable to receive Instagram two-factor authentication code. So for your account security, if you have set two-factor authentication and you have to receive a code, and if you're unable to receive the code, then that might be due to various reasons. So in order to fix that, watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And let's get into the video. So first thing is you just have to go back and you have to open up the apps over here. Now you just have to press and hold to the Instagram, and you can go for the I option at the right upper corner. And here you have to scroll down a little bit and go for the stories, and you have to clear the cache at the bottom. By simply clearing the cache, your Instagram will be refreshed and you'll be able to get the verification code easily. That's the thing. Now once again, you just have to go back, and since we are getting the verification code on the message, you also have to refresh the message. So you just have to open up the message over here, and you can press and hold over there and tap over the I option at the right upper corner. And here you just have to scroll down and go for the stories, and once again you have to clear the cache at the bottom. By simply clearing the cache, your message option will be refreshed and you'll be able to get the message easily and quickly. That's the thing. Now another thing, you just have to go back and you have to scroll upward and go for the permissions option, and make sure the permission option over here is allowed, especially for the SMS. The permission should be allowed, then only you'll be able to get the verification code easily. That's the thing. So that you just can go back and try, you'll be able to get that. But even though you tried all of this and you're still unable to get that, then the last way is to refresh your mobile device. Sometimes due to the lack of refreshment of your mobile device, you also won't be able to get the code. For that, you just have to press and hold over your power button, and here will be the option for restart. You just can tap over the restart, and after that you can try, you'll be able to fix that. That's the thing. So I hope this video was helpful. If you still have some queries, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.